job description of a janitor centers around ensuring cleanliness, hygiene, and proper maintenance of buildings, facilities, or public areas. Janitors, often known as custodians or cleaning staff, are vital to maintaining a safe and welcoming environment in workplaces, schools, hospitals, offices, and other institutions. While the work may seem simple on the surface, the role involves an array of tasks that require diligence, physical stamina, attention to detail, and a commitment to health and safety standards. Janitors are typically responsible for performing routine cleaning duties such as sweeping, mopping, dusting, and sanitizing. However, their job extends beyond basic cleaning. They often conduct minor maintenance tasks, report safety hazards, and sometimes assist with building security. The job is hands-on and requires both physical labor and alertness, especially in settings with heavy foot traffic or strict cleanliness standards such as medical facilities and educational institutions. Although janitorial work is largely performed behind the scenes, it has a direct impact on the reputation and functionality of any organization. A well-maintained facility improves employee productivity, customer satisfaction, and general well-being. Consequently, janitors are valued not just for their ability to clean, but for their consistent efforts in creating healthier and more efficient environments. Core responsibilities of a janitor. Among the central tasks outlined in the job description of a janitor is the daily cleaning of assigned areas. This includes sweeping and mopping floors, vacuuming carpets, wiping down surfaces, cleaning restrooms, and taking out trash. Janitors must ensure that all spaces are sanitized, especially high-touch areas like door handles, elevator buttons, sinks, and toilets. In some settings, janitors are also responsible for replenishing restroom supplies such as toilet paper, soap, and paper towels. A janitor's responsibilities may also involve seasonal or deep cleaning tasks such as window washing, carpet shampooing, floor waxing, and polishing. These tasks are typically scheduled periodically to preserve the appearance and longevity of facilities. Janitors often operate cleaning machinery such as industrial vacuums, floor buffers, and pressure washers, requiring knowledge of equipment handling and basic troubleshooting. In addition to cleaning, janitors are often responsible for light maintenance work. This may include replacing light bulbs, unclogging drains, changing air filters, and repairing minor damages to fixtures or furniture. When issues exceed their capacity, janitors are expected to report problems to facility management or maintenance teams promptly to prevent larger hazards. Safety and hazard identification are other critical aspects of the role. Janitors are expected to keep their work areas clear of obstructions, place wet floor signs during mopping, and store cleaning chemicals safely. They must understand safety data sheets, SDS, for each chemical used and ensure that they follow Occupational Safety and Health Administration, OSHA, guidelines. In some institutions, especially schools or office buildings, janitors are responsible for opening or locking facilities, checking alarm systems, and responding to emergencies like spills, leaks, or broken glass. Their constant presence often makes them first responders in small building crises, further emphasizing their importance. As they carry out these tasks day in and day out, it becomes evident that the job description of a janitor demands more than manual labor. It requires reliability, observance of safety standards, and a commitment to cleanliness and public health. Required skills and competencies. The role of a janitor may not require advanced academic qualifications, but it does demand a robust set of practical skills. Foremost is physical stamina. Janitorial work involves standing, walking, lifting, bending, and carrying supplies for extended periods. Janitors must also work in various environmental conditions, indoors and outdoors, and sometimes in cold, hot, or noisy surroundings. Attention to detail is crucial. Janitors must recognize areas that require cleaning and know how to apply the appropriate techniques or products to achieve effective results. A poorly cleaned restroom, a streaky window, or a mist spill can impact the perception of a facility's cleanliness, so janitors must aim for thoroughness in every task. Time management is another essential skill. Janitors often follow a strict schedule, especially if they clean during off hours when the building is empty. They must complete all assigned tasks within the allotted time without compromising quality. Prioritizing tasks efficiently helps them stay on track and respond to urgent needs, such as spills or accidents, without neglecting routine duties. Basic repair and maintenance knowledge adds value to a janitor's role. They must be comfortable handling tools, identifying problems like leaks or broken tiles, and performing minor fixes. Familiarity with HVAC filters, electrical outlets, or plumbing systems, while not always required, can make a janitor more versatile. Communication skills are also important, especially when interacting with building occupants, management, or supervisors. Janitors need to report issues clearly, request supplies, or follow instructions for special cleaning assignments. A polite and professional demeanor contributes to a respectful work environment. Lastly, janitors must understand and adhere to cleaning protocols and safety guidelines. This includes proper handling of chemicals, use of personal protective equipment, PPE, and awareness of cross-contamination risks, especially in healthcare or food-related environments. Work environment and employment settings. Janitors work in diverse environments depending on the employer. They may be stationed in schools, hospitals, office buildings, shopping centers, hotels, manufacturing plants, or residential complexes. The job may require working early mornings, late evenings, overnight shifts, weekends, or holidays, especially if the cleaning must be done outside of regular business hours. In educational institutions, janitors maintain classrooms, restrooms, cafeterias, and gymnasiums. In healthcare facilities, their role expands to sanitizing rooms, disposing of biohazardous waste, and meeting high standards of cleanliness to prevent infections. In corporate offices, janitors are expected to maintain lobbies, meeting rooms, restrooms, and kitchens while blending into a professional environment. The work may be solitary or part of a team, depending on the size of the facility. In larger organizations, janitors might specialize in certain tasks, e.g., floor care, while smaller organizations may expect janitors to perform a broad range of duties. Janitorial work is typically supervised by a facility manager or head custodian who assigns tasks, monitors performance, and ensures compliance with standards. In outsourced cleaning contracts, janitors may report to supervisors from external service providers. Education and career path. Most janitor positions require only a high school diploma or equivalent, although many roles have no formal education requirement. On-the-job training is common and involves learning how to use cleaning tools and products, adhere to safety standards, and follow facility-specific routines. Career progression for janitors may include promotion to lead janitor, head custodian, or facility maintenance supervisor. With additional training or certifications, janitors can transition into building maintenance, HVAC, electrical work, or other technical trades. Industry-recognized certifications, such as those from the International Sanitary Supply Association, ISSA, or Building Service Contractors Association International, BSC, may enhance job prospects. For those working in specialized environments like hospitals or laboratories, additional training in infection control or hazardous waste handling may be required. Certifications like bloodborne pathogens or OSHA safety compliance are valued in these contexts. The demand for janitors is steady, given that cleanliness and sanitation are essential across all industries. Automation has influenced some cleaning tools and techniques, but the need for human oversight, attention to detail, and real-time response to maintenance issues ensures that the role of the janitor remains indispensable. Conclusion. The job description of a janitor highlights a multifaceted role that combines physical effort, safety awareness, and responsibility for the overall condition of buildings and public spaces. From basic cleaning to emergency response and light maintenance, janitors play a crucial role in creating clean, functional, and safe environments for employees, customers, students, and patients. This profession suits individuals who are dependable, take pride in cleanliness, and are physically capable of handling labor-intensive tasks. Janitors often work quietly in the background, but have an immense impact on the day-to-day experience of everyone who enters the spaces they maintain. As organizations and public health expectations continue to emphasize hygiene and cleanliness, the janitor's role remains essential and respected. Those who embrace the responsibilities with integrity, discipline, and adaptability will find ongoing opportunities and appreciation in this important field.